Plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun. And check up on relatives. weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be always persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Oshkosh or internet sources for the latest severe weather in 20 miles an hour. A severe thunderstorm. Gusty winds could knock down trees and blow around unsecured objects. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Farmview, Sheboygan Falls.
You have one unread message.
No, I was hoping that if something got issued, you would have grabbed my...
Canceled for the following counties in Wisconsin: Dodge, Fond du Lac, Jefferson, and Walworth. Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 8:15 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Raymond Lake to near Pleasant Prairie, moving east at 20 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Radar indicated. Source, radar indicated. Expect damage to roofs. Damage to roofs. Sighting. Entries impacted include locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, West Arrowfield, Wauwatosa Creek, Greenville, Pleasant Creek, Mount Pleasant, Mequon, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Whitefish Bay, Greendale, Brown Deer, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, St. Francis, and Hales Corners. Attending the Wisconsin State Center. You should neglect shelter and seek safe shelter and for your protection move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. for Lake, northeastern Keene, eastern McHenry, northwestern Indiana until 9:15 p.m. At 7:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Northern Island to Chicago Heights, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Additional severe storms were located near Plainfield, moving east, and also may reach Lake County. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, East Chicago, Sherville, Hobart, Lansing, Highland, Munster, Elizabeth, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Winwood, Whiting, and New Chicago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the fourth floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloudy ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Falcon has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Windsor Harbor, Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 22 nautical miles east of Cedar Grove to 19 nautical miles east of Windsor Harbor, moving east at 80 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher rain. National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a special marine warning. Lake Michigan near shore and in Port Washington, lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Windsor Harbor, Illinois until 9 p.m. At 8:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close. Struck by lightning. The current time is 8:23 p.m.